How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a gas leak detector. Check this little thing out right here. Just kind of like looking over the box here. You know, I'll show you some of the indication on it. You have a quick response, an automatic shutdown, a low battery indicator, portable pin design, alarm, and an LCD. You know what? It's very simple to use this thing. Let me just take it. By the way, it's packed in here pretty tight. I've already had this thing out and kind of went over it. There's not much to it. You get a USB-C cable. This is 100% rechargeable, and it's like a little pin. So this is something I recommend for anyone that's got any type of gas or like a maintenance man or something like that. What you'll do, you'll just kind of like turn it on, hold down the power button right there. It goes through. Now what it's doing, it's sampling the air. So once it gets a sample of the air, it's going to kind of like just level off there. And there is a battery indicator on there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. See the little battery indicator? That tells you how much you got on there. So here's the features, you know. Going over kind of like what the features are on this thing. You can turn it on and off, and the S button here, you press the S button to enter into a high sensitivity mode. The light turns on 50 to 500 parts per million. Press the S to light, enter a low sensitivity mode, which is 500 to 1,000 parts per million. So let's turn it on the high sensitivity mode. That is it. It's on the high sensitivity mode. Turn on, you can calibrate it. I've already calibrated it. You hold it down for 3 seconds, blah, blah, blah. Locating the leak. So the fast leak is a red beep, and if it's green, there's no leaks. I took this outside, so I don't have gas heat in my car, but what I did, I took it outside, I put it on around my gas cap on my car, so this would be great for checking for gas leaks on your car, your gas lines running in and from your engine, and it went off right by the gas cap, so I know it works. Then I also put it by a propane tank and a butane. I actually put it by a little butane lighter and watched how it worked, and it worked flawlessly. Everybody, this is something I think can just kind of give you a peace of mind, especially if you have gas heat in your house or any type of gas stoves or anything like that, or if you're doing any type of maintenance on any type of gas engine. You just need a good little affordable item that could really come in handy and probably save you a lot of money. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, the little gas detector, gas leak detector. See you all in the next video.